Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Patai, principal and evangelist of BUILK.com. Today, I want to share my story and a little impact we made to digitize an old-fashioned industry, the construction. From a small community to better industry, we are changing brick and mortar into bit and data. I believe all of us here has experienced a construction-related service. At least we are a building user. But some of you or your family has built your own house or renovate your workplace. We need to hire a guy we call a contractor to work on this. So talking about the contractors, I believe most of us has a bad experience with the contractors. From low quality of work, delay in construction, and overcharging. But not all contractors are bad. Some of them are, yeah. Let me share my story. I was a bad contractor. My confession. Back to year 2003, I ran my small construction business. As a contractor, I have to manage 1,000 of construction materials. I have to deal with hundreds of labor and subcontractors, and along with the construction site condition. So I was facing a daily challenge and a daily incident about material rejected, material delay, labor fighting, project owner changing their requirement, and the list goes on. So I cannot offer the best construction service as I reach, and I realized that running a construction business is really tough. Another evidence that makes the construction business is really tough, in Thailand Department of Business Development, they always report that construction business is the highest number of newly registered every month. So everybody here can be a contractor, just go register it. But on the other hand, every month, hundreds of contractors are out of business. They are in the highest number of failure rate as well in Thailand. But not only in Thailand, in the US, the stats also shows that contractors has the lowest number of survival rate in 5 years. At the rate of 36.4%, it means 2/3 of the contractors are die before their 5 years. But no, not the contractors is naturally born bad. Okay, in Thailand, we have 75,000 construction business registered today. Not all of them are bad, okay, but all of them are facing the daily challenge like me. We are lacking of proper management too, and we are running business with the inadequate information. And when the construction business fail or underperform, it leads to the undesirable impact to the public. So we can see low quality of building, delay projects, or abandoned buildings here. So, and it also leaves the bad image of construction industry as an untrustable industry. So my idea is, can we make the construction industry better? As a contractor, my own experience, I believe if we can help small contractors run their business better or help them survive more or grow their business, it's a way to help the whole industry. So I'm looking around our daily life and see some good examples from other industry, and here's what I found. First, the technology shift. Seeing the good example from other industry like retail and healthcare, they developed so fast because the use of new technology. I still remember 20 years ago when I start my early days in the construction industry with my family. So the engineer at that time, we carry a pager or a heavy cell phone on construction site. But today, we all have a smartphone with internet. We can search for everything in our hands. But construction business still have the same problem. The problem is still out there. Secondly, every day in our life, we got connected like never before. So now you are tweeting, you are posting something on Facebook, or checking in TEDxChiangMai, sharing and learning from others, inspiring the idea, and getting people with the same interest is the benefit of social network that we all know. Back to my industry, inspiring by the impact of social network and the readiness of smart device, we have launched BUILK, our first service in 2010 as a cloud-based management tools for construction business. We help the construction business control their business easier, eliminate their risk, and can grow their business. So I believe that to move the construction industry forward, we need to work out at the bottom of the pyramid, the construction SMEs. Actually, they have no money, and they never think about spending money on IT. But to move it forward, we need to do something crazy and do something differently. So we come up with the idea to make BUILK, our first service, all free, totally free. It becomes the world's first 100% free enterprise application for construction SMEs. With the construction-related advertising and market research, we can offer professional construction business management for construction SME at zero cost. It's just like Facebook for construction industry. We can use Facebook for free, somebody pay for it, and for construction SME, they can use this thing for free as well. Not only the tools that we give, we also provide the best practice for construction SMEs by, they can do things like the report or forms like the big contractors do. And we also understand the limitation of SME resource, and so the application has been designed with the minimum effort. And we empower the construction SME to manage their business with the information in their hands. My role as an evangelist, I travel around Thailand and I motivate small contractors all over Thailand to use IT to improve their life and grow their business. 4 years ago, this idea has been told that it's impossible. No contractor can work online. They can do only drive a truck or they know how to paint, that's it. They don't know how to do internet. But today, a construction SME like Kun Nathat, he's a home remodeler and a house builder in Nonthaburi. He can drive a truck, of course, and his hand, he carries a smartphone and a tablet with 3G connection. He learned how to use BUILK through our online tutorials and become our pro user within a month. Now he manages his construction site and his construction business every day on BUILK with his 5 staff. Not only contractor can benefit from BUILK, a supplier like Kun Vachara, he also reduced his risk selling construction materials to a trusted contractor, because this trusted contractor used BUILK to manage their business professionally. So we grew up our user community, and we get a very good feedback from our user. We develop application and develop the community together. We become a trusted network of construction business. Not only tools and best practice that we gave, from the data in our community, today we have 4,000 construction business working on the same platform. And we crowdsource construction data from Southeast Asia. Only in Thailand, 4,000 companies work together. Our project amount from construction SMB combined, we have $500 million of project amount. And they also spending $200 million purchasing construction materials and hiring construction service. We crowdsource this data and we make the industry benchmark, the data from construction SME that no one ever collect before. This is the construction data from us. 4,000 construction projects in Thailand has been managed on BUILK, and we have variety of projects from residential house, office building, factory, infrastructure projects, and hospital. And it obviously shows that it's not only in Bangkok. Regional small contractors can use BUILK as well. Chiang Mai, we have a big group of users here. And not only that, from the data of BUILK, this is the cost structure of building a house in Thailand. Up to now, September 2014, if you want to build a house, the cost structure is here. 1 million baht house, 48.4% or almost half of your building budget is going to materials. 15% is for the direct labor, 2% is for the equipment, 25.3% we hire subcontractors, and 9.3% is the overhead cost for the contractor itself. So we can dig down into more details of materials. Half of the construction cost is material cost. So what is your major materials? Like 19% on the right chart is for concrete and precast concrete products. 10%, nearly 10% is for rebar or structural steel. And 11% is for finishing material on flooring, ceiling, and for tiles. So this information is benefit for the contractors. They can use this data as the benchmarking. If they see that overhead cost is over that industry standard, it's time to go into improvement. Specifically for Chiang Mai, our user here grow nicely since 2010. We have 22,000 purchase order created in Chiang Mai, and it's worth around 400 million baht so far. And we can see the recession in 2013, obviously, and we can see a good sign of construction spending in the third quarter of this year. Good sign for construction industry. You can see this is how we turn the data into information and can benefit not only the contractors, the supplier, and everyone. If we are the property owners, you can use this information. And thanks to the internet and the emerging of cloud technology, we can think beyond our Thailand market. So as an internet service, we can go to overseas. We create a BUILK in 4 languages now, and we launch in 5 countries. We're working with the local partner and local community in Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Philippines to improve their construction SMEs and improve the construction industry there. And not only in ASEAN. So with the mobile phone distribution, we launched our first mobile app in App Store, and it goes beyond ASEAN. It shows the potential of mobile app distribution today. It can, because it's all in your hands. So our application, we call it Sidewalk, is a site collaboration, has been used in 50 cities around the world. This is just a start. We can create an impact, but it's just 5% of the construction industry in Thailand that has been digitized. We know that we have a long way to go, but at least we see a light out there. And name construction as the world's least tech-savvy industry. Construction industry can show you that with the internet and smart device can create significant impact and get this industry connected. I believe that other industry can do it too. So what industry and community are you care about? Thank you.